Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Easy Glaze iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector with the auto alignment kit. It also includes 4 screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Comes in a box here, like a bit bigger than like a regular phone box, iPhone box. And we have auto alignment kit. Easy Glaze is the company. Okay. Let's go ahead and get out the unboxing knife here and not cut my finger off. Okay. And got a whole bunch of stuff inside here. Let's go ahead and cut this side too. Okay. So it comes with 4 screen protectors. Comes with 4 screen protector accessories, the Easy Glaze installation guide and manual, which you won't need if you watch this video. And it also has the lens protectors as well. There's 2 lens protectors and 4 of these screen protectors. So we're going to go over the video on how to install these, but for now I just want to show you what's in the kit. It's real simple. You basically take the sticker off the other side, you put it top up on the phone, and you press and slide down, and it does all the work for you. Most important thing when doing this is make sure your iPhone screen is really clean. That's the trick. So that's the unboxing. Now, let's get into the actual installation. So make sure, again, to clean your screen real well. Use a microfiber cloth. I'll actually take a flashlight sometimes and put on my screen just to make sure there's anything on it, nothing, hairs or anything lint. So you tear that off, you put it on, and you press and slide down. And that's it. It's really that simple. It's a flawless installation. Perfect. And it's nice thick. Of course, it's 9 hardness. It's glass. It's not that cheap plastic. So the camera lens protector installation guide. So again, you make sure to get everything good and clean. I'll use the wet wipes. Then again, right after that, I'll use a microfiber cloth just to make sure. And then you want to get any lint off, dust, and you pull this off, and you just press it on. Press pretty hard to make sure it seats well. And that's it. Now you have a protected phone, front and lenses. So let's go over some of the specs on this and about the item. It has precise cutouts and responsive touch. The protective film covers the iPhone 14 Pro Max, ensuring you feel as if there's nothing on your iPhone screen. Featuring a fine oleophobic coating, it effectively resists scratches, oil, and fingerprints, keeping your camera and sensors in perfect condition. Enjoy the same touch sensitivity, feel, and response on your iPhone 14 Pro Max as you would without any screen protector. It has comprehensive protection and crystal clarity. Preserve the quality and clarity of your iPhone 14 Pro Max display without sacrificing protection. The Easy Glaze clear coatings made of advanced materials outperform other options on the market. Designed for those who appreciate the naked screen feel, these coatings are virtually invisible to both sight and touch. It has AR technology for superior night shooting performance. The innovative camera lens protectors are designed exclusively for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the 6.7 inch. Combined augmented reality, seamless fusion, glare, shielding technology, and an upgraded night flash circle for an unparalleled photo taking experience. Has a 365-day worry-free warranty. You get not only 4 packs of the screen protectors and 2 packs of the camera lens protectors for your iPhone, but you also have a hassle-free 365-day warranty. Replacement, no need to apply for a return, no fees required, just contact us. If you accidentally ordering the wrong size, fail installation, or encounter other problems, feel free to let us know. Okay, so that's my video on the Easy Glaze iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector. It's a pretty neat item, and considering the price, check out the prices. I put a link in the description. There's 4 screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors, and for the price of one, some dealers' prices is the price of all 4 of this stuff. So it's a really good deal. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until the next time, I'm out.